Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use this cool add-on here. It's called the word cloud generator. And what I really like about this is it takes all the words from your document and makes them into visual. So what we'll do is go to add-ons, and then I have it right here, word cloud generator. I just got it here from the get add-ons section. It's like an app store. You can just scroll down and you have all these options, and here it is right there. And so then we'll go back to add-ons, word cloud generator, and you can either do classic or modern. Just the style of the picture. So I like the classic one. And then it is generating here off to this side. And it's just pulling some of the big words from my document. You can amend these, you can refresh it, and it will kind of re-edit them and style them in a different way. And then I just make it downloadable down here. And then we will go ahead and we will just right click, copy the image, and then you can paste it into your document. And this is really great for visual learners. It's also if you're comparing, maybe you have a certain theme in your paper like freedom, and you want to make sure that freedom is the big word in the paper. Then it's kind of give you a visual, because the bigger the word is, the more often that you use it. And the smaller word, less often you use it. So this is really great for visual learners. This is really great to kind of see where your paper is going. It's also really a cool way to take words and make them into pictures. And just another way to further student learning. Alright, thanks.